Hey guys, welcome to day 2 of the lifted lawnmower build. Before we start, I'm going to show you some footage of some stuff that I did last night, just taking the steering stuff apart. Hang tight, check this out, and we'll be back here in a minute. So now you've seen how the steering stuff came apart. Now I'm going to take the wheels off this thing and get some measurements together, and we'll go from there. Five inches to the center. Here's the front end. Now it's time to get this rear end off. Here's the transaxle. Okay guys, I got the thing balanced pretty much how it's going to be. I got it pretty well leveled out. It's going to be about 35.5 inches from the bottom of this frame to the floor. Okay, so now I've got my two 17-inch cross pieces cut out. Okay guys, and there's my 4 stilts. Now I'm welding the base together. Okay guys, so here's the next thing I'm trying to decide. Here's the base that we got, the base of the bottom of the tractor. It's 70 inches long, but the stilts are only going to be 56 inches apart. So I got to figure out how much overhang I want on the front and the back, because the way that the transaxle is going to go, the transaxle is going to be pretty far to the back. I want the jack shaft to come down and give me enough room to put a belt back to the transaxle. So if that's hard to understand, you'll see what I'm talking about pretty shortly here. But right now I'm just going to try to decide how much hangover I want on the front and the back. Okay guys, I got the stilts tacked into place. I'm going to tack them a little bit better, and then I'm going to set the frame of the tractor on top of this whole base stilt thing, and then I'm going to tack that on, and we'll see how it looks. I got the frame sitting on my base and the stilts, and I'm going to go around and just weld the frame to the bottom base there. Well, there's what we got guys at the end of day 2. I've got the holes drilled in the rear end, but I'm going to remove it and finish the welding. As you can see, some of those spots aren't welded yet. I just got some tacks on it right now. See just a few in the front. I just have this front end C clamped on. I was originally going to use the pivot, but I'm thinking now I'm just going to run some angle iron down, and then I'm going to like reinforce that and just weld it right to the frame. I'm not sure yet though. Stay tuned for some more.